Hi, Cherry from TM UK Car Dealership. So today I'll show you Hyundai IONIQ 7170 plate UK model, PCO ready. So it's the PCO expires next year in January, which can be renewed. So I'll quickly show you the exterior. So inside car is like this. So this is the steering. And this is the English navigation in it. It does have back camera as well, with parking sensors front and back. Cruise control. This is the back seats. So this is the boot of the car. So this is just a back, and this is the boot cover. You can put it and fix it here. This is the charger. It's a plug-in hybrid, so it does come to the charger. And if you drop down the seats for much more boot space, you can drop it down. Okay, so there you go. And we have many different cars here. We have a car wash here as well. Rental cars for renters are available.